Guys, check out these dolphins. How creepy are they? They're a bit scary looking. I don't know what child would want to play near those.
So take me away across the ocean, out in the horizon.
Where are we?
We're still in Nice, the French Riviera.
And where did we just pass?
Cannes.
Cannes. So over there is Cannes. And we've come up alongside Old Jail, where our captain of our boat has said that's where they filmed The Man in the Iron Mask. Come out for a happy hour drink, enjoying the sunset. Not really a good view. And then we're going to go find some dinner and maybe go for a walk along the Esplanade, see the memorial maybe, and maybe have some more ice cream.
So we've decided tonight we're going to have dinner here at an Indian restaurant.
In France.
And they've got some cute little booths around the side, separated with some hanging cloths, and we've requested one of those. We'll show you some.
Check it out.
It's okay?
Perfect, thank you.
Very good.
Lamb kurma, and I will come with garlic.
So dinner's arrived. Got a chicken like always. The lamb. Where are we going?
For ice cream.
So we finished dinner and now we're obviously going to get some ice cream.
I'm getting pistachio and...
One other.
Yeah, what's it called? Yes. Yeah. That one with pistachio? Yeah. In a cup? Yeah, a cone, please.
So now we're going to walk along the Esplanade and check out the lights and the buildings while enjoying an ice cream. So we just came up along the memorial for the Nice attacks. It's Still here after a little while, so yeah, there's lots of candles and letters and teddy bears, flowers. Yeah, this is what you see. It's another memorial. Thousands of flowers and teddy bears again.
We're missing the Pokemon convention. We thought all these people were sitting here maybe waiting for a movie, but they're all on Pokemon. It's crazy.
Check them out.
You're not there.
To be honest, I've played once.
He was addicted for
In
a whole
Zadar,
day.
I played for one.
whole day.
Once, yeah, once. Played once. Now look, people on scooters even playing.
It's the funniest thing I've ever seen all day.
So check out this building. We saw it the other day, during the day, and we're like, well, that's a really pretty building.
You're in my photo.
Check it out. It's actually a painting on the wall. It looks legit like it's part of the building. Crazy, right?
Paint! They painted it on! They tricked you!